Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.67%. This results in an average return of 1.83% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically represents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend support at $286.51 be breached, it will first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, and it may also serve as an early indication of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend implies a possible change of 43.45% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 39.26% and 83.43%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 30.35%. According to our projections, the stock's performance could vary from 7.10% to 137.72% over the next year. In current values, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $316.10 and $701.61. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded from strong sell candidate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The Tesla stock price increased by 3.67% on the last trading day, Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. Rising from $284.70 to $295.14. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.93%, with a day low at $291.14 and a day high of $305.50. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 13.46% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 118 million shares, with a total of 161 million shares traded for approximately $47.5 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54. while the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price stands 39.59%, or $193.40, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock, known as TSLA, is currently navigating a turbulent landscape influenced by significant events. A notable rift has emerged between CEO Elon Musk and President Trump, which could alienate potential buyers and impact Tesla's public perception. Protest organizers have voiced concerns that Trump's criticisms could jeopardize Musk's business connections, potentially leading to a decline in consumer confidence. Simultaneously, the head of Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot program, Milan Kovac, is reportedly leaving the company, adding uncertainty to this ambitious project. Leadership changes within critical innovation segments can often lead to volatility in stock performance, especially for a company heavily reliant on groundbreaking technology. In recent trading, TSLA experienced a sharp sell-off due to Musk's public criticism of Trump's tax policy. Although it rebounded slightly later in the day, analysts suggest that while short-term fluctuations might create selling pressure, The long-term outlook hinges on how effectively Tesla can manage its public relations and innovation strategy amid these internal challenges. Investor sentiment appears cautious, as illustrated by Kevin Simpson's decision to reduce his stake in Tesla. Such strategic moves by influential investors could create a ripple effect, influencing market confidence. Overall, while today's market shows some positive momentum, the ongoing leadership transitions and the Musk-Trump feud may present challenges that could affect Tesla's stock price both in the immediate term and well into the future. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a rating of overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of May 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a rating of buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla a rating of overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a rating of neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact the short-term outlook. The Tesla stock currently presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $329.11, as well as $307.48. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, it has decreased by 18.67%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an existing sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger presents a buy signal from 82 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 30 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average confirms a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $284.70. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $14.36 between its high and low, representing a movement of 4.93%. For the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 7.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. The extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.43. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $298.30. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Tanasia Vaibhav, who bought and sold a total of 13,500 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.878. In total, insiders acquired 1,104,334 shares and disposed of 3,759,868 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss set in place. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock currently displays several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we expect Tesla to open higher by $2.12, starting at $297.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.